Sharing the operation process of viewing drive energy data using Casambi app. Open Casambi app. Click More. Choose Nearby Devices. Click Check for updates. Waiting for the completion of communicating. Return to Luminaire's page. Double-click the device for energy data viewing. Find the details on the pop-up. Click Details. Click Dolly XX. XX is a random address, usually A0. Click Last Update. You can view the relevant data once the update is complete. Scroll down the page to see more content. For more product information, please visit Box's official website.